whenever we go to visit our youngest daughter, there's a bit of a routine that happens. Early in the morning, my husband will get up and my daughter and he will try to sneak out the door. But inevitably, there's the patter of little feet in their pajamas following them out to the vehicle. They are headed to the donut shop. So today, we are going to paint a nice, yummy pink donut in honor of that routine. So come on into the studio with me and let's paint this little donut together. Welcome back, fellow wanderers. As you can see, I've already begun something here, and I realized I didn't have my microphone on. So this is just a donut. I used my little bowl here to trace out the circle, and then I used this round ruler to do the center. It's just 3 colors today: raw sienna, burnt sienna, and alizarin crimson. And then just some simple brushes, a couple of round brushes, it's a 3 and a 6, and a couple of mop quill brushes. First thing that I did with my smaller round brush is just get some raw sienna, and I painted in just some little areas like this for where the donut is showing through. Now, in real life, you're probably going to want to pick out a donut that doesn't have that showing through because you want the frosting. But that's another story. I know that's how it is for my grandkids. All right, I'm getting alizarin crimson here. And we are just going to do a light wash. So make sure you've got enough of a wash here and that your brush is nice and wet. And we are just going to come in and get this filled in. Just like that. Now, because this is not 100% cotton, you've got to get right back in there where it's wet and keep going. I could have used that larger mop brush, but I was afraid that I might not be able to stay in my circle if I did. So I'm just coming up here and making sure this stays wet so we don't get any harsh lines, and bring it on around. Now, when I was a young mom, I wanted to surprise my husband and make donuts for him the way his mom did. He would just rave about her donuts. And so I got a donut recipe and I tried making the donuts and it was a fail. So I got another recipe and I tried making the donuts and it was a fail. And I didn't think that this was going to work. I finally asked Mom how she made the donuts, and she kind of laughed and said they come from the Pillsbury biscuit container. You just pop them out of the cardboard and stick your thumb in the middle to make a hole, and that is your yummy donut that you fry up. So much for trying to make them from scratch and thinking that I was going to be able to duplicate her yummy donuts. My mother-in-law was a fantastic cook, so I thought for sure they must be homemade donuts. All right, I'm just coming in here and dropping in a little darker areas while this is still wet. Now you could wait and come in when it's dry and just put some darker color over the top, but it does create a bit of a harsh line. And I wanted to see if this would work by just dropping it in. So that's how I'm doing this one. And then we get this finished in one fell swoop. Just like that. All right, that is a nice tasty looking donut. Do that. I'm going to dry this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to put in a little bit of a shadow here, and we are just going to use some burnt sienna and just come right up along this line. Maybe a little bit deeper than that. There we go. That kind of makes the edge of our donut pop a bit. And there. And one more here. Just like that. Okay, then in the center, we can get a little bit more alizarin crimson, a little bit deeper. Tap off the end of your brush, and you can just run an edge right along here. It just gives it a little bit of depth. Okay. So you can either just leave it as is, and let's see what that looks like in the frame. Oh yeah, that's super sweet. Or you can add some little white sprinkles. Just like that. Just to add a little bit of interest to it. So if you've not tried to make donuts the way that my mother-in-law used to make them, give it a try, and then glaze them in chocolate. Anything glazed in chocolate is good. Or you can roll them in cinnamon sugar. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Super simple, super sweet. Nice little pink donut. That's lovely. All right, thanks for joining me. Come back and join me again, and blessings to you.